Hello everybody, it's Cotty, and we have a box to unpack. I'm kind of scared to unpack this one here. It was not packaged properly. I'm surprised it didn't come postage due. The person who shipped it via UPS SurePost, which is USPS Parcel Select. Generally when somebody does that and puts it in a medium or large flat rate box, they arrive postage due. I'm not sure if they were gonna do it. There is a bunch of writing, but the box looks used. I mean, they couldn't even spring for a new box, so this is a piece of test equipment. I mean, Cotty wants attention. She's sitting here like, give me attention. I'm gonna give her cookies. Everybody likes Cotty cookies. Here's Cotty cookies. More Cotty cookie. I guess she don't want it. Oh, there it is. All right. So, yeah, this is horrible. I mean, I'm scared to open this. So, I better take some stills here. Gotta move Cotty. Just in case. I don't think post office or UPS, if there is damage, would cover this. But, okay, let's go for it. Cross your fingers, Cotty. Cross your paws. She's looking at me like, what are you doing? Let's... I messaged the seller if they'd sell another piece to this, but they never responded. So they only accepted payment and shipped this. So here we go. We got padding at least. Oh, we have connectors. Okay, let's look at this, make sure no dings or damage. I'm not going to be able to plug this in and power her up. Usually, Cami Research, they're a day or two. It's going on 4 on a registration transfer. So, usually they're pretty responsive, so they said they're trying to get this one transferred, so I did a follow-up, but I needed to get this unboxed just in case there's an issue. So, okay. What do you want? You want cookies? Okay. But we can plug it in and try it. I mean, I haven't tried one without a license file. Oh, she has 1 cookie. Maybe we'll get 2. That was a half a cookie. So let's open the rest of this. So yeah, I've been pretty impressed with Cami Research's customer service. I haven't reached out yet for right to repair and schematics or anything, but we might do it eventually. So make sure nothing's broken. Yeah, the last ones, they both had broken USB ports. So this is a... Those are good, those are good. 7162. Okay. Gonna have to pop the thing off to verify the machine is actually 7185, but yeah, metal bits. Yeah, those metal bits. Okay, you can sniff. Okay. Where would those have come from? So let's pop these off. Yeah, metal bits. Like drill filings. Ooh. Look at that. What in the hell? Did they have this in a machine shop or something? Metal filings. Sure nothing's in the sockets. Alright, well, let's check the USB port. Looks solid on that one. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it does. This one has the expansion port, so it's got 256 test points. So I really didn't need another one of these, but I'm just a sucker for test equipment. You never know when you're going to need it. And this one don't have a power button on the back. Guess it just automatically powers up. This one's going to be interesting. We're going to have to check that out because the other ones have a power button right here. That one's got a cover over it. Wonder why. You got a ground cable. Well, it detected on the computer. Let's open up the software and see what it does without a license. Calibration file. So it's looking for a calibration file. Unit calibration rules do not match. Use this one anyways. Let me screen. Yes, we'll use it anyways. Okay. Okay. Well, 256 test points. Self-test. Run once. Completed with no errors. So, that one passes. So, this is like the newest of them. I will clean off all these metal flakes. But as soon as Cami gets me the actual license file and calibration file, I will give this a full test. Do you see her? I don't know. Should I give her cookies? I think we'll give her cookies. Be careful. Sharp metals. Yeah, sharp owies. It's like drill shavings. She wants more. Do you want more? She acts like she's starving. But she's not starving. She's got plenty of food. So. Okay. There it is. Another Cami Research M3 cable tester. We'll catch y'all later.